Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the mounted height adjustable standing desk converter, a versatile addition to any workspace designed to enhance productivity and health. This 38-inch wide desk riser is perfect for accommodating two monitors or a monitor and laptop combination, thanks to its spacious top platform. With a manual gas spring mechanism, you can smoothly adjust the height from 5.9 to 16.9 inches, allowing you to effortlessly transition between sitting and standing positions. The integrated device channel keeps your tablet or smartphone within reach, ensuring you stay connected while maximizing desk space. Crafted from high-quality MDF and a sturdy steel frame, this sleek and durable design not only complements any decor but also protects your desk surface. The expansive 38 by 11.8-inch keyboard tray offers ample room for a full-sized keyboard and mousepad, promoting comfort and ergonomic efficiency. Transform your existing desk into a dynamic sit-to-stand workspace with the mounted standing desk converter and experience the ultimate multitasking workstation tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase